SENBONO MAX10 guys, welcome back. Peace be upon you. Another smartwatch review, of course unboxing, hands-on and review. This smartwatch guys, believe it or not, it's selling around $32. Really nice specs, solid smartwatch from SENBONO company. I already reviewed their slightly cheaper smartwatch. Here we go. Just over here in my left hand. So it does have kind of a cubic, more rugged design, while this one has a classical ring zinc alloy material. Remember that this one is zinc alloy material on top as a ring, and bottom is a hard shell plastic, which is a very nice design for $33 guys. It's not 50, 100 bucks, it's just 30 to 33 bucks. Anyway, it has a 1.32 inch HD screen, very beautiful screen. What I love about it has an NFC support, Bluetooth calling, Bluetooth voice, a lot of cool stuff packed in $32. You can buy it on AliExpress.com. The buying links in the description. Also, I'll be probably sharing with you some discount coupons, so please make sure to use them. Let's go. Here we go guys, small hands-on on this beautiful SENBONO MAX10 smartwatch. I repeat again, the price tag is 33 bucks. Cheap, very cheap guys. Zinc alloy ring frame rate, so beautiful quality. On the of course on the bottom we have hard shell plastic, two different buttons, which is power and sports mode. Anyway, a little bit weird. I don't know why they added here fake kind of designed buttons and wrote it outdoor active. Because these buttons here don't do anything. They don't exist, man. These are not buttons, so I don't know why they done that. Maybe just like an kind of a more beautiful, closer design look of something which looks fully complete. I don't know how to even describe it, or just because of the aesthetics. Whether the application works just fine. You can see myself, I already paired it with my smartphone, which I'm going to show you in a minute. Anyway, I love also that it has secured two belts. This is very important to have on a smartwatch, especially on like these kind of smartwatches, which are a little bit, let's just say, thicker. But to be honest, no, with the lighter smartwatches which are thinner, it's more important, because sometimes you don't even feel when they drop, man. This is around 50 grams. This smartwatch is around 50 grams if I'm not wrong. NFC support, one of the best things obviously about this smartwatch, I will repeat again, NFC support, Bluetooth call, Bluetooth dial and Bluetooth audio. We'll be testing all of that in a minute. And also the brightness, you can of course change it by yourself. Phone calls, settings itself, we're going to enter the settings, dial, theme, bright, screen time, info. Let me just show you right now how it's with the scroll link. There you go. Smooth, very smooth experience. So beautiful screen guys. To be honest, for this price tag, of course you can't get AMOLED panel, but this is a TFT screen, completely solid altogether. It has still solid also resolution, 1.32 inch HD resolution, 360 with 360. Solid resolution. To be honest, many different smartwatches don't even have this kind of high pixel density. Touch sensitivity of this smartwatch is completely fine. This is, I repeat again, not a 60 FPS screen. A lot of people expect to have an Apple Watch for $33. Can you believe that? They want to have a $300 worth smartwatch Apple technology in a $30 worth Chinese smartwatch. Yeah, that just makes no sense, man. That is so stupid, seriously. Very stupid. By the way, this button on the bottom, it's made for sports mode, accessible for you, and you can see yourself dozens and dozens of different sports modes available with this smartwatch. On the back we have heart rate sensors all together, magnetic port, you do get magnetic charging cable included in the box. Straps are completely fine. For now I think they have only one different color of this one. I might be wrong, but you can check it by yourself from the AliExpress link in the description. I repeat again, it has IP67 deep waterproof feature. So no hot shower, set seawater immersion. Okay, so that's this is the note. No fear of rain. Meet any daily use scenarios. Do not worry about rain, but they say do not use it with the hot shower. Okay, they give you a tip. Don't use it with the hot shower. If you're gonna have a cold shower, maybe you can do it. Okay, a little bit funny how they done it, man. So you can view all the guys alerts, all the messages, sports health assistant, heart rate monitor. You can of course follow the calories burned, distance passed, steps, altogether everything is there. And what I'm going to show you is different face watch. Check this out. This is the basic one. We're gonna go through the application and check a different one, inshallah. Okay, what else I can tell you about this smartwatch? So it has 25 different exercise modes, 24-hour real-time heart rate sensor. Remember the battery life, guys, 5 to 7 days. They say it like this. Let me just check it out again. Yeah, 7 days. Standby is 30 days. 7 days of usage, while standby is 30 days. Completely acceptable. This is 260 mAh battery, Bluetooth 5.0, low power consumption technology, and to charge it is gonna take around 2.5 hours, guys. 2.5 hours to charge this smartwatch. And remember, like I think with every single SENBONO smartwatch, you can use it with Android and iOS. Anyway, guys, we're gonna leave that now for the beginning, and let's try to see this application, how this application works. So this one you can download from the Play Store. It's called Glory Fit. I already kind of used this application, so I know a little bit about it. It's solid. It's a solid application, guys. Sports. I love that it has this kind of sports mode. Sorry for that, sports mode window special. Usually different smartwatch apps do not have these settings. Watch faces. Let's go to the watch faces. Custom dial center. There you go. We're gonna enable it and see what do we get. Plenty of them. Check it out. Yeah, more coming. Okay, I love this one. I love this one on the bottom. This one is very nice. This one is nice. Okay, I'm gonna do this one. That looks very cool. That looks very cool, bro, to be honest. Let's stick around. I think it's gonna take around 1 minute to sync, download, sync, etc, etc. So stay tuned. Okay, guys, here we go. Okay, this one looks very nice, to be honest. I like this. This is the first time I'm seeing this kind of style design. Check this out here, heart rate sensor with the diagram there. That's very nice. Calories burned here with the fire symbol. Very nice UI. This is very nice face wash skin. To be honest, I like also this one. This looks kind of a bit sci-fi. This one is also very nice. Plenty of different face watches, plenty of them. Check it out. I think more than 100, bro. I think this is for sure more than 100. It's wow, it's getting more and more. Wow, shocking, man. That's very nice. So this is kind of the advantage of this, let's just say, application. It has a lot of different face watches. Some smartwatch apps have basically a few dozens, and that's it. Okay, this one is also very nice. What else we can try? Okay, let's check this out. Okay, let's try this one. Here you go, guys. This is also very cool. I love this kind of font of this of the numbers. So we have battery. I think here we have step counter and the clock. That's it. Very cool. Very cool, guys. Anyway, we're gonna leave that on the side. So what do we have with this application? Heart rate monitoring turned on. Auto test. Blood oxygen settings turned off. Call reminder. You can enable this one. So I'm gonna just give all the permissions, of course. I'm gonna leave it as it is. It's SMS reminder. You can also enable that. Okay, app reminder. So we can select app reminder. Just go to the Glory Fit, enable that, give permissions, and that's it. Okay, what else we have? We have send a reminder. Raise hand to activate display. I enable that, so it will simply activate your display. And from here we have find bracelet, shake to take a picture. Let's check this out. We'll have to give permissions. So I think shake to take a picture, yeah? Let me see, I'm shaking it, but it doesn't take a picture. Shall I tap? Okay, I simply tapped. So they should write tap to take a picture, not shake to take a picture, bro. Anyway, let's go back here. Device language, on-screen time, I love that. 15 seconds. I wish it has 30 seconds, but some smartwatches have maximum 5 seconds, which is stupid. To be honest, it's very stupid that you can't change the screen wake up time. Anyway, guys, that's it regarding the application. I already reviewed this application. I'm not going to take a lot of your time. Just check it out by yourself. Let me just try to use this smartwatch a little bit, and I'm going to come back with you to do heart rate and monitoring sensor test. Stay tuned. Okay, guys, we are back. I went to Jami for Salatul Asr. Anyway, guys, what I'm shocked. Basically, we're gonna do right now this heart rate sensor test. What I'm shocked about it that how fast it's synced with the application regarding the heart rate sensor. This is the first time I'm seeing this kind of speed. Check this out, guys. Instantly, instantly, maybe like 0.3 seconds delay, but this is the first time I'm seeing something like this that is so fast synced with the application regarding the heart rate sensor. Blood pressure. Blood pressure, we're going to go, but blood pressure itself is not out 24 hours monitoring. Only the heart rate sensor has 24 hours monitoring constantly, obviously working. While the blood pressure itself, SPO, O2 also works. Blood oxygen record, 97%. Okay. Gonna go here and test it. So it takes a while to do this, maybe around 1 minute. I'm gonna stop it, stop the camera and see in 1 minute. Here you go, guys. Instantly, I just started recording my the camera. I just pause it back, replay it back, unpause it, and instantly it was also synced here. And you can even see here 4:17 p.m. That is so fast, man. I don't know how this is possible, what kind of technology this smartwatch has, and altogether how this app is optimized. I never saw something like this, guys. I'm telling you, I never saw something like this that I don't even need to refresh it. I don't need to wait, I don't know, maybe 10, 15, 20 seconds. Immediately, guys, immediately is synced. That is very nice to see, seriously, very, very nice to see, guys. I love that. Anyway, we tested heart rate sensor, SpO2. Anyway, sleep monitoring, of course, at the night if you sleep. Weather itself, guys, we have here maximum, what do we have? Do we have other days? We don't have other days. You get around 4 days. You get, what? Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, guys. There you go. See myself, yeah? And that's it regarding that. We're going to go back to the front page. That's the front page. Okay, that's the menu. If we swipe from the left, okay, we swipe from the left. If we swipe from the top, here we're gonna go to the, of course, screen brightness. We went through all of this. I'm not gonna bother you too much. You have an option to reset, to turn off the smartwatch if you want to do this. Also as a kind of flashlight. To be honest, it's just a little bit stupid, but hey ho. And then we're gonna go back to the sports, go to the power mode, and go all the way back to the front page. Select the different face watch. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful, seriously beautiful. This one is also nice. Tap it and use it. There you go. Awesome stuff. Anyway, guys, let me see what else can I test. I'm going to go back here and try to use the player. Let's see here, does the player works with, of course, with this phone. It should work. I'm going to open YouTube, play something. It does work. It does work. Check this out. Pause. Pause. Unpause. Pause. Unpause. Next track. Next track. Speakers. Wow, very fast, man. I don't know what kind of technology this smartwatch has, but this is a cheap smartwatch, guys. This is not $200, $300. It's $33, guys, and it's very well synced with the smartphone, smartwatch, and the smartphone. Game, you have some game, bird game. Oh, check this out. And numbers, Klotsky. That's going to be very difficult, to be honest, but hey ho, they do have a game also. 2 games, calculator, breath, and different functions. That's obviously the settings. Anyway, guys, that should be it. That should be it. I hope you enjoyed in this small review of this smartwatch. I'm really surprised by the quality and the functions, the features of this smartwatch, plus the app itself, which is very, very important. Because right now the heart rate sensor is working 24 hours. Make sure to disable it through the settings if you want to save on the battery, because that's going to drain a lot of your battery. I don't think you're going to have maximum 5 days. With the normal use, you should get around 7 days. Anyway, guys, so yeah, buy it on AliExpress. The buying links and the discount coupon will be in the description. Peace out.